How to see chat history on DeepSeek AI DeepSeek tutorial. Do you want to access your past conversations on the DeepSeek AI Assistant app in this quick video? I'll show you how to see your chat history on DeepSeek AI on both iPhone or Android. Whether you're trying to review past messages or retrieve important information, just follow my steps. Let's open the DeepSeek application on our mobile device, and then make sure that you are logged into your DeepSeek account. I'm already logged in, so how can I see the chat history and the past conversations which I've had in the app? It's pretty simple. All you have to do is to tap on the two horizontal lines located at the top left corner. And that will open this side menu where it will show us the chat history which we have with DeepSeek. You can see that I have 3 different conversations in the DeepSeek app. And if I want to view and open any of these conversations, I'll just tap on it. And then those messages will appear in my app, and I can now review the conversation which I had in the app from yesterday, from the past week, the past month, and so on. You can see that I've asked the app if TikTok is available in the United States, and if I need to switch between conversations back and forth, then open that side menu once again, and then tap on a different conversation in order to open it. But that's essentially it, everyone. That is how we can see the chat history on DeepSeek. Tell me in the comments down below, which AI chatbot is your favorite and why, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.